Hello all, welcome to Tech Villages and I'm back again with another awesome video. In this video, I'll show you how to set daily reminder usage on Facebook. Normally, we spend a lot of time on social media and especially on Facebook and WhatsApp. But there is a feature in Facebook which allows you to set daily reminder usage so that after you spend such time on Facebook, then it shows a reminder that you have reached the daily reminder usage of Facebook so that you can avoid using Facebook for more time. So let me show you how to set daily usage reminder in Facebook. But before going forward, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications of my every video and you do not miss any of my latest videos. As stage has been set, let's get started. So to set daily reminder usage of Facebook in Android, just open Facebook and tap on the three vertical bars on the top right. Scroll down till you find an option called settings and privacy at the bottom. Just tap on it and it opens few options and click on the option called your time on Facebook. And on the top it shows that your time on Facebook. So this is a feature your time on Facebook introduced by Facebook which allows to see your Facebook usage on per day basis as well as per week basis. On the top it says I spent an average of 20 minutes per day. On the bottom it also shows the average time I spent on Facebook per day. So as per today I have spent 20 minutes on Facebook. Just scroll down and you could see an option called set daily reminder. Just tap on it and it shows daily time reminder. Your daily time reminder is set for 20 minutes. So I've set it for 20 minutes. Let's say you want to spend 25 minutes or 30 minutes on Facebook and you want to restrict usage of 30 minutes on Facebook. So let me say I've put it for 25 minutes and tap on update, or it also shows create. As I've already updated, now updating it to a new time, it shows update. But if you're creating it for the first time, it shows you to create. So click on update or create. And it says that you have set a daily time reminder of 25 minutes. So once my Facebook usage per day has exceeded the reminder which I have set previously, then it shows the reminder saying that you have exceeded the limit. So I can just click on OK to carry on using the Facebook, or I can click on edit reminder so that I can edit the reminder again and update the daily usage reminder of Facebook. So there is a simple way to set daily reminder usage on Facebook and Android so that you can restrict your Facebook usage on daily basis. Hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please like and share the video. And if you have anything more to add, please do comment below the video. Thanks for watching this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you soon.